In our solution today, let's look at February-March 2025 paper 22. The kind of uncertainty question they set, that will be question number 1. Explain what is meant by the accuracy of a measured value. The accuracy of a measured value is how close a value is to the true or actual value. B. Two solid cubes A and B are measured to determine the density of their materials. Table 1.1 shows the measurements for cube A. Quantity measurements, length of side, mass. Show that the calculated density of the material of cube A is 8.7 times 10 raised to the power of 3 kilogram per meter cube. Density equal to mass over volume. Here, volume of a cube is length cube. That means density will be mass over length cube, which will give us 31.3 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 divided by 1.53 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 all cube. Why I'm putting 10 raised to the power of minus 3 is because I changed from gram to kilogram. And why I'm putting 10 raised to the power of minus 2 is because I changed from centimeter to meter. So if I have 1.53 centimeter and I want to change it to meter, I will divide it by 100. This would give us 8.7 times 10 raised to the power of 3 kilogram meter per cube. Calculate the percentage uncertainty in the density of the material of cube A. Percentage uncertainty will be equal to percentage uncertainty in mass plus 3 of percentage uncertainty of length. This gives us 0.5 over 31.13 plus 3 times 100 over 1. This will give us 3.6%, which is equivalent to 4%. The density of the material of cube B is determined to be 9.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 kilogram per meter cube, plus or minus 6%. State and explain whether cube A and cube B could be made from the same material. For us to know if they could be made of the same material, we compare their densities. Here we have 8.7 times 10 raised to the power of 3 within percentage uncertainty of 4%. Here we have 9.2 times 10 raised to the power of 3 within the percentage uncertainty of 6%. We can say cube A and cube B are having densities within the same range. Therefore, the two of them are produced using the same material. It is important for you to give a reason before you make a conclusion. That is why they say state and explain. If you don't make a reason before you conclude, you will lose a mark. Thank you for moving along with me. See you in our next video.